I want to see you do your pouty face.
my puppy dog eyes?
Yeah. What do you got?
I'm not good at that.
Lauren, let me see your pouty face. Okay, surprised? What do you got for surprise? Oh, that's like peanut butter cracker.
Never do that.
What do you have for sad? Sad. Sad? Jaden, do you have sad?
Hang on.
That's kind of mad.
Mama.
Okay. What's your mad face?
That's what Lauren does next.
Do you have a mad face?
No, she goes like this.
Yeah? Do you have a happy face?
No, I want to do a silly face. Diva face.
Do you have a happy face? What about silly?
I don't get what people think that's funny. Diva. Do a diva.
No, she's gonna do happy. Happy.
Happy. That's not your happy face.
Okay, so we've got Cecilian happy for her. Happy. Silly.
Now diva face.
Do you have a diva face?
Tom's gotta go with this.
No diva face. Okay. Jaden, you have a diva face?
Don't mess with me.
Yep.
Where am I?